Okay, so here's a 3D printed tricorder I made. Now I'm gonna paint this in a silver. It is a little bit loose here because it was extremely tight, and then this clip broke because of that. So I did some sanding and trimming of these pegs, so now it's really loose. But when I put paint on it, it should tighten up to be perfect fit and stay in perfect place. Oh, looks like this one broke too. I'm gonna have to fix this clip too. Yeah. So these clips do appear to be very fragile. But it does work. And then I have some stickers that I can print out on some vinyl sticker sheets. So, next step, paint the tricorder. Alright, so here's the tricorder all finished. And it looks really good to me. Now I did have to end up taking and gluing this together because the clips just wouldn't hold. But since I'm going to be displaying it in open mode like this anyway, or like that, I just opted to glue it together because there were some other ones, other 3D printed files. There were some other 3D printed files available which gave different results and different looks. Some with a conversion for a medical tricorder and a stand. As you can see, we painted this here. Painted up this area here. It's got a whole bunch of different colors in here. Nice gloss clear coat over everything. These stickers are vinyl sheet they printed out. Took about 5 tries to get close to the right size. But it works for me. I did have to trim to get everything to fit properly. And then of course clear coated gloss coated over the decals. And my dog decided to bark now. But it looks good. It does what it's supposed to. Just look like a tricorder. Okay, so that's it. Thanks for watching.